Hello dear friends, how are you all? Hope you people are learning from your online classes as well as offline classes. Today we are going to learn in the Science and Technology Part 1, second chapter, periodic classification of elements. We have learned about different classification schemes of element. In that we have learned about Doberanner's triad and Newland's octave rule. Today we are going to discuss about Mendeleev's periodic table. So dear friends, Mendeleev was Russian scientist. Dmitry Mendeleev, a Russian scientist, during the period 1896 to 1872, he tried to classify elements on their properties basis. He considered that atomic mass is the most important fundamental property which element possesses, and based on this, about 63 elements he arranged on cards. And later, after arranging the cards, all 63 cards which were symbolizing the 63 elements of those days, he transferred this arrangement into the periodic table in accordance with the physical and chemical properties of elements. And during this, he also tried to manage the properties, chemical properties of the elements with their hydrides and oxides. Means when elements are chemically combining with hydrogen, they form hydrides. And when elements are combining with oxide, they form oxides. So both hydrides and oxides he compared, and classification scheme he noticed. So he found that physical and chemical properties gets repeated after the definite interval. On this basis, both the things, atomic masses and physical and chemical properties with respect to that hydrides and oxides, Mendeleev stated the periodic law as the properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. Let us see Mendeleev's periodic table. Here in the Mendeleev's periodic table, the very well arranged elements in vertical columns called as groups and horizontal rows called as periods. We will discuss Mendeleev's periodic table in the detail.